I'm back. I know a lot of you guys been wondering where have I been. My last video was about over a year ago. Ever since then, my business has taken off. I've been doing a lot of work with clients, but now I'm back into like a routine. I can get back on this YouTube. So yeah, I'm back. But that's not what this video is about. So unless you've been stuck up under a rock, you know what's going on in the world today. Everyone is scared about this coronavirus going on. It's very serious. But while we're all stuck in the house, I got 4 ways that you can make money right from your home as a videographer or a photographer. The first one is pretty obvious, YouTube videos. So since everyone's quarantined in the house, everyone's gonna be searching through their social media. Now is the best time to get your following up, to get your views up. So find something you're good at, find something you're passionate about, create tutorials or unboxing, just something, create a YouTube channel, monetize it, and collect the dough. Although we're quarantined, there's a lot of people still out here working. Look at me, I'm out here creating this YouTube video for you guys. So log on to sharegrid.com. This is not a sponsored video, but you can create an account on there and put your equipment that you have up for rent. Now with just a simple camera and some lenses, you can easily make $300 over the weekend. But be very careful. If you do not have insurance on your equipment, I would screen the people very, very thoroughly and be very careful when you rent your gear out too. But easy way to make money, rent your gear out. You already have it, let it make money. This next one requires little to no work at all because it requires the things that you already have. So a lot of photographers and videographers have a bunch of footage that's just sitting on your hard drive. Well, you can take that same footage and sell it online. I'm talking about stock photography as well as videography. Easy, all you have to do is go to Shutterstock or any other platform that you find, upload your footage, and anyone who downloads it, you collect the profit. So it's very simple, and if you get very, very good at it, you can come out and you can shoot solely for that purpose. You can find out what people like, find out what they're looking for, come out and shoot that style. So use the footage you already have. You don't have to leave the house unless you really want to, and sign up for Shutterstock or any other platform that you find, because I am not sponsored by Shutterstock. And yeah, and sell the things that you already have. It's sitting on your hard drive anyway, so why not let that make you a profit? But I'm hungry, so let's go get some food. So the last one is product photography. Although we're going through this crisis, there's still a lot of businesses that have to sell their products online, and they need you. Okay, so what you do is find a company that you want to work with, reach out to them, whether it be via social media or their email, and once you work out a deal with them, they will ship the product to you, and while you're still in the comfort of your own home, you can take a picture of it, do a video for it, whatever you guys work out, and that's an easy way to make money from the comfort of your home. Why are we dealing with this coronavirus? So let's wrap this video up. I'll give you 4 ways you can still make money and comfort your home while we're dealing with this coronavirus. If this video has helped you, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll be dropping a lot more YouTube videos this year, and I hope you're in for the ride. Peace.